Hi, and welcome to the My Devices walkthrough of the Intwine Connect RMP video series. In this video, I will explain how to use the My Devices section of the Remote Management Portal. The My Devices section is where the user can set up and manage Internet of Things networks through the Intwine Connect Gateway. There are many possible applications of IoT networks supported by the gateway, such as lighting control and building automation. Today I'll be discussing one of the simplest applications, which is also one of the most useful, temperature monitoring. A simple temperature monitoring system can be achieved with just an Intwine Connect gateway and a supported temperature sensor. The Intwine Connect gateway can communicate with an IoT temperature sensor using Bluetooth or Zigbee protocols, and it offers a powerful way to take a simple device and quickly get its data into the cloud, where it can become useful. Before we get started, this video assumes that you have already created an account in the RMP and added a gateway to your account. We covered how to do that in some previous videos. You'll also want to verify that the gateway is powered on and all the antennas are connected, and it should show up in the portal as online. Here I'll show in my gateways page, I have a gateway set up called IoT Demo, and its connection state is online. Alright, next you'll want to have a supported temperature sensor on hand. Today I'll be using an Inkbird IBS TH1 temperature sensor that communicates over Bluetooth. Next, navigate to the My Devices page, and it will show a list of all the IoT devices associated with your account. Just like in the My Gateways page, this list is sortable and searchable. Each row gives some information about the device, including name, device type, connection status, last contact, snapshot, and available actions. Under the Actions column, if you click on the bar graph icon, it will bring up the historical chart of temperature data over time. You can select the time period to display the past day, week, month, year, or the total data set of all collected data. Clicking away from the historical chart, clicking the bell icon with a plus sign brings up the alert menu for the sensor. This control allows you to set an alert to notify you when the temperature exceeds a certain threshold for a given period of minutes. We found this to be especially useful in food refrigeration monitoring, as it allows us to filter out normal defrost cycles that result in a temperature spike but shouldn't trigger an alert. And so how to get the alert set up is you will check it, that activates it, and then you would modify the degrees of where the threshold should be, and then how long it should wait once it's above the threshold before sending an alert. And also you can create an alert for when the temperature falls below a threshold as well. And by unchecking it, you remove the alert. The next thing that we can look at in this row is the pencil icon to enter the quick edit mode. From there you can modify the device's nickname, and if you were to modify it, you would want to save that by clicking the save icon or click the X to cancel without saving. Also in this quick edit menu, you can bring up the detailed settings by clicking the gear icon, and that will show you some information about the sensor, including the manufacturer, in this case Inkbird, device address, this is the MAC address of the sensor, also the interface, in this case BLE, which stands for Bluetooth Low Energy. It'll give you the connected gateway from your account, this is the IGU ID, and this sensor will report how much battery is remaining, and also our internal device ID for the sensor. And also in this quick edit section, you can click this trash can icon to delete the device from your account. And that's it for that, so I will click the cancel to get out of that quick edit menu. If you're curious, the grayed out controls are for other types of IoT devices. For example, this would bring up a manual control for a light bulb by clicking this grayed out icon, or this calendar icon that's grayed out is how you can set a schedule for what time of day your IoT light bulb can be triggered to turn on and off. That'll be for a different video. And then the next thing you may be wondering is, how do you add new IoT devices to the account? The process can vary quite a bit depending on the device. Often Intwine Connect will ship the gateway and devices pre-provisioned, so they won't need to be added by the user at all. Or if new devices need to be added later, you can contact support to help you through it. However, the basic process is to click on the green circle icon with a plus sign to add a device. Next, you'll select the gateway that you'd like the IoT device to be joined with. So I'll click my IoT demo gateway. And once you click on that, that will send a command to the gateway to enter provisioning mode, where it's open to accepting new devices onto its network. Then you can turn on the IoT device or press a button on it to put it into join mode, following the instructions in the device manual. Once it is detected by the gateway, it will show up as an option, giving its device type and MAC address. And then you will simply select it and hit continue. And then it'll be added to your list of devices and start displaying data. I've already added my devices, so I won't go through that process here today. And other than that, just note that you can obviously sort, look at the last time the device checked in, last contact, and also see a snapshot of the current temperature. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the My Devices page. Hopefully it has offered some insight into the capabilities of the Intwine Connect Gateway for Internet of Things deployments. Please check back soon for more informational videos, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.